What's up, guys? It's your boy Mark, back with another video. In this video, I will be going over some very exciting things. If you're new to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also click the notification bell so you can be the first to know once I upload videos on how you can make some daily cash. Alright guys, so before I get into the title of this video, as you can see, it's 5:12, currently London session. Alright, caught this GU buy. Alright, caught this GU buy. Alright, what I'm gonna do is go to the Discord group. Alright, as you see, signal was sent out to the group. If you took it, then you in profit. If not, guys, if you sleep, you can't sleep on the money. That's up to you. But let's go back to this GBP USD right quick. Alright, what is happening here? Alright, let's look to the left of this. Let's move. Alright, let's move this. Alright, quick. Let's see. Let's move this right here. Alright, this is more valid. Alright, this point right here. Hopefully we get this push above here and here. Alright, and GU just take off for us. Alright, I've been looking for this buy all week. Alright, so Wednesday we finally getting some momentum. I caught a buy Tuesday. Alright, made around $10,000 Tuesday. But it ended up coming right back down. Alright, right back down to this demand zone down here. Alright, and it just kept coming down, guys. It just kept coming down. So that's why I'm watching it heavily. Alright, to make sure. Let me move my laptop over here just a little bit so I can keep an eye on it. Alright, just to make sure this thing don't come back down. Alright, on me. My stop loss is in profit. But guys, I'm looking for this thing to just keep pushing. Alright, I'm looking for it to keep pushing. But as you can see, we got some rejection right here. Alright, some rejection right here. I don't like it. Let me go see what I need to do to this trade. Alright. But I'm gonna keep watching it, guys, and I'm gonna set me an alert. Alright, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna set an alert so while I'm making this video, if it comes down here, I will know. Alright, so let me set an alert for here. Alright. That's what I'm gonna do. Set this alert. So just in case price come all the way back down here. Hopefully it don't. Hopefully we just, like I said, we get some momentum that push this thing all the way up, and we can just hold this trade, all right, for the rest of the week. Because like I say, the market most definitely has to correct itself, man. If we look at what happened, guys, we had a major tank. Look at that. I'm looking for price to come all the way back up here. Look where I bought it, all right, on the chart. This is a good area to buy it. All right, so let's jump into the title of the video, because I know you guys been waiting, like, when he's gonna talk about, when is he gonna talk about it? All right, so I actually made a video on this a couple days ago, but I needed the right information. All right, to go over the I needed the right information. All right, but let's talk about it. FTMO. All right, let's talk about FTMO. All right, and what they got going on. Okay, 90% splits, 80% splits as well, and on-demand payouts. But when I seen the on-demand payouts, it was mainly like after 14 days. All right, so let's go over a few things. Up to 90% split. All right, and you may see me keep looking over here. Like I say, guys, I'm watching my profit, but up to 90% split. All right, let's see what they had to say. We have decided to change the default layout ratio. All trades are 80-20. We have been using 70-30 models since the beginning, and it's a sign of gratitude for all of the great traders we have. Now, For all of the great traders we have a chance to work with over the past years, we feel that it's time to change, but the 80% share is not where we draw the line. All right. If you meet the conditions of the scaling plan, we do increase the balance of your FTMO account by 25%. And also the payout ratio will automatically be changed to a staggering 90%/10. All right. So you'll be able to keep 90% of the profits, all right, if you stay inside of their scaling plan, if you meet the conditions of their scaling plan, all right. And like I say, they increase your account by 25%, and then you'll start getting 90% instead of 80%. But guys, now they are basically matching, okay, or even better than Funny Talent. Guys, y'all see my crystal, man. This my baby. It goes everywhere with me. I don't know if you look at that. Every time I move it, look, change colors, flip it the other side. Look at that. Hold on, y'all. I want y'all to see it. So that's what y'all see in my hand. All right, if y'all see me moving around. But guys, look at this. Bigger account. Besides managing a bigger account, FTMO, like I say, you will be able to receive 90% basically if you stay with inside of this scaling plan. And you know, you have to figure out what the scaling plan is. You can go to the website. Me currently, I am with Funny Talent. All right, I am with Funny Talent. This is a good move, but I would say if you haven't already got your live account, all right, if you haven't already got your live account for Funny Talent, then this could be a good move for you. So me, everything is already set, everything is already golden. You know what I'm saying? So it will be kind of, you know, it kind of wouldn't make sense for me to do this, but I may still open up an account because, guys, look at this. All right, payouts on demand. All right, let's read this right quick. All right, if you are one of our FTMO traders, or you have closely followed our social networks, you know that the whole payout process is made to be simple and fast. But if you follow us for quite some time, you also know that we like to push the boundaries, all right, of the industry standards. So what do you think about the option to choose your profit split day? All right. As traders, we know that trading is about results, and especially the beginning of the trading career, the gaps between regularly monthly payments. All right, that's a lot of stuff in here, but I'm just gonna read it anyway. The gaps between regular monthly payments and often seem like eternity. All right. That's currently what's going on right now with Funny Talent. They were every 2 weeks. All right, but let's keep going right quick. I'm gonna get into that. That's why we have developed payouts on demand for all FTMO traders. The payout can be processed just after 14 days. All right, or you can choose a later date available on the calendar. It is completely up to your convenience. All right, when you withdraw your profits, which that is cool, man. Like I say, a lot of people actually went towards, all right, Funny Talent and left FTMO because of the bi-weekly payouts that Funny Talent gave out at first. All right, now but now Funny Talent is only doing once a month. So in my opinion, it's like they just switched. All right, it's like they did a whole switch. It's like Funny Talent started to try to do what FTMO doing, and then now FTMO is trying to do what Funny Talent doing. To me, basically, it's like a competition. You know what I'm saying? It's like who can get the most people to buy these accounts. Even though they got all of this good stuff going on, everybody is not going to get funded. You know what I'm saying? Because everybody don't know how to trade. A lot of people will over leverage still. A lot of people just get super excited and just go crazy with the lot sizes, not knowing what they're doing. Or get lucky with some news, or, you know, indices and then the third. But what I will say is, all right, Funny Talent has way more pool than FTMO. What I will say is FTMO have way more pool than Funny Talent. All right, and what I mean by that, FTMO been around for a minute. All right, they've been around. To me, I think honestly, they've been around, like I say, before I even started trading. I know before a lot of other people started trading. And Funny Talent really got started in 2019. All right. So if you're a part of Funny Talent, guys, you know that they have so many things that they got going on, like server issues. A lot of people complaining about payouts, but the thing is, a lot of people are not staying with inside of the rules. They just came out with the 10-second rule. You know what I'm saying? Your trades got to be open for more than 10 seconds. That took away my mini made strategy, guys. I used to kill it, mini made, in and out, in and out, in and out. So they're making it harder for you to scalp. All right, 10 seconds is not that long, but still, I was with the mini-max strategy. As soon as you go in profit, all right, we was able to just take profit. Now you gotta at least let the trade be open for 10 seconds. So Funny Talent coming out with a whole bunch of rules. All right, a whole bunch of rules, a whole bunch of things that's gonna keep you from getting paid if you don't know what you're doing. That's why I just stick to regular currency pairs. Day trade. I'm holding my trade so they have nothing to say. You know what I'm saying? It's way over 10 seconds. All right, and I'm consistent with it. But at the end of the day, for people who just want to get funded, they don't want to go through all of the rules and this, that, and the third. But once again, guys, I've been with Funny Talent since they started. I was a FTMO trader in the beginning. I did pass the challenge. It's not that hard, you know what I'm saying? It's not FTMO. Funny Talent is cool, all right? But like I say, the reason why I left was because of the 70-30 split. All right, so in my group, we was talking about this the other day. Somebody asked which one was better or we should look into FTMO and this, that, and the third. And I'm like, well, yeah, I used to be, but I take 90% any day, all right? Which is, to me, still cool. But now that FTMO is offering 80 and 90%, just depending on, what type of trader you is, and if you stay with inside of their scalping plan, you can get 90%, but it's still 80% is not bad at all. Because with Funny Talent, if you are doing a challenge, you get an 80%, so it's about equal, And once again, man, I feel like FTMO have way more money than Funny Talent, so it's not gonna be payout issues. They've been around way longer than Funny Talent, so the server issues and all of these rules and all of that, guys, is kind of out the door with FTMO because they've been sticking by their rules for a very long time. You know what I'm saying? And guys, yeah, come check FTMO out. All right. And another thing that I do like about FTMO is you can get a free trial. All right, depending on what account size you want to check out, you can do a free trial, all right, just to see how they server work, just to see how everything goes. See, look, you can click right here, get you a free trial. Got 3 steps as well. But one thing I will give to Funny Talent is you don't have to have like the minimum trading days and all that. You get your account like right after, all right? So come check them out, man. Come check out their prices. Funny Talent still got a lot of people beat by the prices, but it's a lot of stuff that come with it. So if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Other than that, out.